Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I just wanted to talk, give you some updates on my hair because it is I'm past 8 months, about to hit 9, but I didn't do it 8 months, so I thought I would do it. And just get a little update on my keto update. So I'm gonna combine these two together. So grab you some wine, I have mine, and let's chat. I hope you guys subscribe while the intro was going, because that's pretty much what that's for. But down to what's going on. I am almost 9 months into my journey. So far, wrap it up in a nutshell. My hair is growing. It's gotten like thick. It gotten fuller. I'm able to do like ponytails, so I'm excited about that. So I just be playing in my hair, and I still have holes. I have not gotten any maintenance done yet. Supposed to be starting getting some at the end of the month. I'm starting to see them more now that I'm getting the correct pattern in my hair. I've had 2 reties done with my new loctician. She is located in Sandy Springs, and it seems that the 4 pattern rotation is actually holding up a lot better. I'm having less slippage. Now I have it like still in my perimeter and mainly in my glasses but that's a lot less than what I have been. So that is really good. Right now I'm doing 4 weeks. And that's pretty much it for that. On 4 weeks, and I'm going to start getting some maintenance. My hair is starting to do a lot what it wants to do. And you see I'm stretching my hair. I do braid outs, and I am tying my hair down a lot more. I'm getting into the habit of training it, to lay it down so it won't move around so much. I still just spray some water in it and then do a hairstyle I'm going to do. I don't know what it is until as I get done keeping my makeup on and everything. I do think since now that I am on the keto, my hair has been responding well to it. I never really have a bad diet. I just been more cautious with it. So with the keto, it's how would I put it? It's challenging to say the least. I have lost some inches. I can say that, so that's good. I have lost some inches. I was in the 130s. Now I'm down to like 128, which I really don't want to get no much smaller than that. I've started to get back on those weights. I have not been to the gym that much. I've been sick, and now I'm just getting back into it. So my body's going to hurt because I went yesterday, and my body's going to hurt. And so I've been doing a lot of produce. I've been kind of getting a little bored. I have not forgot about the cooks with me. I recorded one video. I'm still trying to figure out how to edit that and get videos off my iPhone and videos off my Canon. So my Nikon. So I'm just trying to piece those together. So it's been a little challenging the way that I would like it to be, but I haven't forgot about it because I did one video already. But other than that, it's going okay. My, how do I put it? My appetite is not as big anymore. I don't eat in big portions. I don't eat as often. I'm not starving myself. It's just I'm not hungry. But then also I feel like I'm full. Then I'm like starving. I hate to use the word starving, but it's painful. And it wakes me up in the middle of the night, and I'm like, oh my God, I'm not trying to eat at like 3 o'clock in the morning. Because I usually do, because I get up early in the morning anyway to go to work. And I have my coffee, and I have my coffee about around 6 o'clock, I should say. And then I don't eat breakfast until I eat like 3 eggs and some spinach. Excuse me. I do 3 eggs with spinach and some white cheddar cheese, and I season it a little bit. and then I have that for breakfast about, I was just say about 8:30, 9 o'clock, depending on if I have any meetings. So that's what I normally do. And then I have lunch around, what do I have lunch about? I have lunch about around 11:30, 12 o'clock. And I eat whatever I cooked the night before. I make sure I do bring my lunch. And most likely it consists of probably cabbage or broccoli with chicken or something to that nature. And I don't eat nothing real heavy because I'm not trying to fall asleep at work. I don't do that. I'm not trying to fall asleep. But then that will hold me over. But I noticed this past week that it has not been. And I've been getting hungry all over again, like I didn't eat probably around 2. So I'm gonna have to work better on my snacks. I did get these little Parmesan crisp things. I saw one of my coworkers eating them, and I was like, oh, let me try this. And it has no carbs. It has sodium, 0 carbs, 0 sugar, 3 grams of protein. And these are not bad. These are not bad. They're good things to snack on. I do snack on nuts as well. So I'm working on my snacking just so during my meals I'm not going crazy. Now dinner, it's like a cycle. I make sure I have a protein and I have a veggie. I tell you, my refrigerator has a lot of produce in there. I can open up a farmer's market. It's ridiculous. But I'm not cooking it as much. I am trying to figure out what I'm going to do with these avocados and do this cream cheese and sour cream. If you guys know some ideas, please let me know. Because right now, I feel like I'm wasting my money. It's just sitting there. I don't know what I'm going to do with it. Avocado, I usually try to cut those, try to eat them fast. They're like almost like apples. When you open them up, they start to brown. So I don't eat them fast enough. So then I find like I throw more away than I actually eat, and I don't like that. And I don't want to buy the already made guacamole, because if it's sitting on the shelf, most likely some kind of preservative in there, and that means that it's not organic. So I don't want that. Yeah, that's pretty much straight to the point. I'm sitting here now. I just thought I should hit you guys up. I'm eating that bowl of cabbage right here that I just made. I put butter in it and I chop up some green onions, and I have some some garlic in it, and I put a little salt in there, and I'm done. I don't do much. That's pretty much it with that. And I drink red wine now. I used to do crave for like Moscato, but I know that has a lot of sugar in it. So I've been doing the red wine and doing Pinot. So that has really helped. I'm not really a big Chardonnay person, so I'm not gonna do that. But that's pretty much it. Like, when my hair is gotten fuller, and I'm excited about that. I'm doing more hairstyles with it. If you guys have not seen my 3 easy hairstyles video, please check that out. I will. If you like those and want to see more, let me know. I will do more of those, because I'm always trying to figure out more different hairstyles that I can do. Especially, with your Sisterlock, you're just trying to do something different. Because I know that I try, and I don't want to look juvenile with it. So I definitely try. When my hair, I'm just planning it for you guys. When my hair gets a little longer, I will do some more up styles, because right now it seems like it's long, but then it's like hanging down in the back, and I don't like that too much. So yeah, so I'm not gonna do that. So I'm really waiting for my back to get a little bit longer so I can do some more hairstyles that's going towards the top. So that would be great. But that is it. I don't want to make it any longer. I put those two together. This is my little update. My little keto update as well. So I just want to put that out there, and I just want to let you guys have a good night. Make sure you subscribe. Like, seriously. Like, what are you waiting on? Especially if you watch my videos. Subscribe. Bye.